AKAM Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol AKAM. That's Akamai Technologies. The chart we're looking at today is a one-day chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 1 day of trading. So this is actually the fourth analysis I've done on Akamai Technologies. This video is an update to the prior 3 videos. So right around the last time we took a look at Akamai Technologies was right about here. This was the last day in the last analysis, that candle that closed basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basically almost 2 weeks ago, 2 trading weeks ago. So before that video though, everything was going according to plan. We mentioned that we had some main areas to take a look at, right around $51, right around $54, and of course we had that wedge formation on the 1-day chart. After the last video, we began pressing up, breaking up above our first price target of $51. We had broken above there, and now we are actually breaking above the second price target of $54. So everything is going according to plan. We broke out of the wedge formation right here, and incidentally enough, right when we were breaking out of the wedge, we also broke the resistance at $54 and turned it to support. 4 days we remained above $54, but this last day we had a pretty red day in the markets overall, and it looks like Akamai also took a hit. It broke below the $54 support, unfortunately, but what's really interesting is that we closed right on the wedge line right there, so it's acting as some support, and if that holds, we should see it correlate back up above $54. Now, let's take a look at our moving averages, the yellow, green, and purple lines. Purple line is our fastest, then the green, then the yellow being the slowest moving average, and in that same order it's 13, 20, and 50 SMA periods. So our moving averages are starting to look really good. The 50 is starting to leg down. We have the 13 period moving average crossing above the 50 period, and that 20 period moving average creeping up to also cross that 50 period moving average. We want that slow average below all the faster averages, so that formation is starting to look really nice. I like how our candle, even though it didn't hold support, it's basically bouncing right off that wedge trend line, so that's also really nice. Not much else to take a look at right now. Everything is going according to plan. What I want to see is we bounce off the trend line here, turn 54 back to support, and we work our way up to that final price target of $58. Now, that's the final price target that I have based on the historical data on my previous analysis videos that I posted on Akamai Technologies. So if we do hit that $58 price target, I'll update this chart and this analysis with some higher price targets, but even though we've been following this stock for a few weeks now, it still hasn't hit that $58 price target. So that is still my price target for now. And once we hit that, then we can look at working up our way higher, above 58, above $60 and whatnot. But let's hit 58 first. We still have to work our way there. So far, everything's been coming along perfectly. We broke 51, turned to support. We broke out of the wedge formation, and we broke to it on the upside, which is great because you know you can break it to the up or downside. So everything's going according to plan. We just need to hit that $58 price target. Let's turn 54 to support and see what next week brings. That's all I have to say about Akamai Technologies. Any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll take a look, and I'll get right back to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate that you watched it, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.